Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of Honey Web Designer. In this video, we will learn how to create GET API in Node.js with MySQL Database. Open Code Editor. I have opened my code editor. Here, I have a index.js file and package.json file. In package.json file I already install MySQL and Express package. Next, create another file which name config.js. First, I import MySQL module. Next, I create a connection with database. In this I write host name, user, password and database name which I want to connect. Here, I use this test database. In this we have one table which name users, and in this table I have one record. Next, I write a code for checking our database connected successfully or not. Here, I write if error occur then show in terminal error in connection. Next, I export con method. Next, open index.js file. In this file, first import Express module. Next, import database connection from config.js file. Next, create Express application. Next, choose a port where you want to run your application. I choose 5000. Next, I use app-get method. In this method we have two parameters. First we define root, and second callback function. In callback function we have two parameters, request and response. You can give any name to it. Next, I use query method and in this I write select query for getting data from database. Second parameter I use callback function which have two parameters, error and result. You can give any name to it. Next, I use if-else condition. If error occur, show error, otherwise print the record or data. Next, open your terminal and run index.js file. Next, open your browser and run application on it. Here, you can see I successfully get data from database. If this video is helpful for you, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with friends. Thank you for watching.